So how are you all? Tired? But I cannot hear the energy. Can I see some energy? How are you all? Amazing, amazing. So, actually it feels very nice to be here at the Crescent English School at Mumra. And I really like the campus. I love the campus. It's beautiful, huge. And amongst all, I love you all. You all are a talented, good-looking and dashing chunk of people. And the future, I would say, which looks amazingly bright. It is brighter than the sun. And I really mean it. Because you all have so many talents in you. You can write. You can emote, you can say a story, you can prepare something on the spot. So now, this is visible. I know it is actually slightly bright, but that's the reason. But still, anyways, since I'm going to read it out for you. Okay, why don't you just hand over the bottle to me? Water bottle. Okay, so firstly, let's start with this presentation out here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go through these slides and elaborate on that. And we'll learn different aspects of stage fear and stage fearing. What happened? Yeah. So the first slide says overcoming stage fear. Why is it like going on and off? But see, it's going on and off. It's going on and off. See, again it went off. See, again it went off. It's okay, sorry. Okay, so let's do one thing. If it goes off from there, we'll continue on the laptop, okay? Let's check out how big is it file. So it's alright. If it disappears, I'll refer you, okay? Anyways, I'm going to read it out for you, okay? So, the first slide is overcoming stage fear. And what does it say? Of course, overcoming stage fear is getting rid of stage fear. So it says, stage fear, also known as performance anxiety, is a feeling of nervousness before or during a performance or public speaking event. This can be a challenging experience, but with the right techniques, it can be overcome. Actually, this sentence is self-explanatory, but I'm still going to elaborate on that. I'm going to add up a couple of points to that. Everyone knows what an anxiety is. Being anxious, being anxiety. Okay. We all go through anxiety at different stages of life. Now, it is not just restricted to stage or a performance. You can be anxious about many things. You are waiting for the result, and you know the result result is going to be announced. That time also you face this anxiety. When a happy moment is supposed to arrive, but you're waiting for it for a confirmation, you are anxious. At the same time, if you are not sure about something, and that time also, if you know that maybe you're not getting a good feeling, how this is going to turn, or maybe you've done a mistake. हाँ हनी भाई एक्चुअली ना ये बीच में ना जा रहा था, लेकिन अभी आपको देख के रुक गया। यहाँ से होगा क्या प्रॉब्लम? लेकिन अभी ठीक है। I think from the time you took the laptop on this table, I think it's not moving, right? हाँ हाँ नहीं अभी ठीक है, पहले हो रहा था, जब से ऊपर रखा है ना फिर ठीक है, हाँ फिर ठीक है, हाँ तो अभी नहीं हो रहा। मैंने बोला ना actually see when you see a doctor, automatically the patient recovers. So the projector saw me fine, and then it said, okay, now he will come and he will cover me. So best is that I don't do anything. Alright, so now let's not get diverted from the topic. Let him do what he's supposed to do. Your entire focus has to be on me and topic. So anxiety can be in different stages, but when you're talking about stage fear, before a performance, you're bound to feel anxious. Now I'll tell you something which is going to come in the further slides. But how many of you can name famous performers or maybe famous artists who regularly perform on stage? Tell me a few names. Kapil Sharma, okay? Munawar Farooqi, yeah. Barack Obama, someone said, okay, that's good. Akash Gupta, Vivek Santani, Siddiqui Maheshwari. Sorry? Sure. Irshaad, Siddiqui. Okay, yeah, good. Thank you. I've also heard him.